Hello and a warm welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be using the wonderful power of our healing hands with some Reiki energy to help naturally lift our face and give us a natural glow. Now, as well as teaching face yoga for the last 18 years and being qualified in everything from yoga to face massage to relaxation therapy to alchemy crystal bowls and much more, I am also a Reiki 1 and 2 teacher. So I am attuned to Reiki, and you can do this even if you've never done any Reiki before. People often think that you have to be completely attuned to Reiki to do this, but I honestly believe we all have the beautiful healing power within our own hands to heal our mind, body and face. So to start with, what you're going to do is you're going to close your eyes and just rub your hands together. So really build up that life force energy, that Reiki energy in your hands. I then want you to just bring your hands out. I want you to close your eyes and I want you to visualize a beautiful white light coming from high up in the universe, coming all the way down through your head, down through your face, through your neck, through your shoulders, through your arms, and radiating out through your hands. So now your hands, you feel that energy from rubbing your hands together, and you've also got that healing white light. Visualize it just radiating out your hands. Now you're going to just lightly place your hands over your face. So gently placing over your face, taking a wonderful deep breath in and a deep breath out, and just keep breathing like this as you visualize that healing white light just gently covering your face. Allow it to just cover your forehead, relax your forehead. Visualize that healing white light around your eyes, your cheeks, your mouth and your jaw area. Visualize that healing white light and that energy radiating from your hands deep into your skin. So your skin is becoming glowing, smooth, radiant, lifted, and you're looking healthy, and you're looking completely like your true, most abundant self. Take one more breath here. And then simply bring your hands back down. And it's as simple as that. And you can do that little routine as many times as you like through your day or through your week. And remember, your hands have a beautiful healing energy that you can utilize whenever you like. So if you'd like more information on face yoga, you can go to faceyogaexpert.com, and also look out for my face yoga workshop bundle, which is a bundle of 4 amazing online workshops. They're all 2-hour workshops, and in one of those workshops you've got a whole workshop on face yoga with chakras, and I also do lots of Reiki healing in there as well. So I know that you'll absolutely love that, and especially as it's a special price of $49.99, so that's British pound $49.99 now. So just go to faceyogaexpert.com, and if you go to the shop you will see it there. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.